Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing well, and we're gonna do January because it's already halfway through the month, and that's my MO, isn't it? I've been having a rough planning month and getting my act together because that's the plan for this year, is to get my act together with my planner and my crafting, because I don't think I did one craft in 2018, and I kind of felt defeated when I realized that. So anyway, you guys probably recently saw me haul this kit. This is from Temp Loves Crafts. I did ask her because she does a Recollections version, but she didn't have it listed during the Black Friday sale. So I did ask her to make this or convert it from Erin Condren to Recollections, but I don't know if it did. If she did, great. She just didn't tell me. And if she didn't, then we might have to do some sticker surgery. But really quick, we'll go over the kit here. We have the left and right headers, some boxes to block out days that aren't in the month, and this is my Recollections vertical. Then we have the decorative boxes, payday flags, sidebar boxes, her date cover-up flags. Then we have a sheet here with holidays, bill dues, quarter boxes, travel strips. And then this is a new page, and it's like she hasn't offered this many boxes in the past. So this is a ton more bill dues. We have some bigger event boxes and then more quarter boxes. So like I said, I think this is still formatted for the Erin Condren Life Planner, but we're gonna give it a go in my Recollections, and we might have to, like I said, do sticker surgery. But we're gonna jump into this video and see how it comes together. But because of the unknown here, I'm just gonna play some hopefully relaxing, decently, you know, I almost said Christmassy, but not Christmassy, but like wintry music. I hope I find something good. But yeah, let's jump into it and see how it comes out, and I will talk to you guys again at the end. So here we go. Alrighty guys, so this is so crowded already with just birthdays. I did put my rent in because it's like our biggest bill of the month. But I do have a ton of stuff left over that I can use in my actual bill planner. This is gone, so garbaggio, except for those two little strips of spareness that I cut off. So this was formatted for the Erin Condren Life Planner. She didn't change it for me, and I don't know if she's going to come back out with Recollections, but in the meantime, it does work. I mean, you can cut a few things, overlap just a couple of things, and it works. So the only thing I pulled in were these birthday cakes, and lucky for me, the planner came with exactly, well, 8 would have been perfect, but 7 works because the kit had one in it. So there was 7 of them, which is just crazy. So I thought about using one of these little teal hearts for hubby's doctor's appointment, but I really like how I put the time in. Yeah. So I'm going to save the rest of this for any other plans we come up with this month. I don't have anything in the works. I try to keep it pretty clean because, I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, that's not one, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 birthdays this month. And then my brother is the 2nd of February, and then the only other ones we have outside of that are my kids and my grandfather. And then like my half sister and her kids and stuff, they're not all in January like us. I don't know why so many people have to be born in the same month. But Beth is here on YouTube and Anna is here on YouTube. And Anna owns a printable sticker shop, so definitely check out Temp Loves Crafts. Anna also, I think, still PRs for her. I may be wrong, but you can always reach out to her on Instagram. She's AnnaLoves22. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to answer. But I do love how this came out, and I feel like it's just the perfect amount of winter. And it kind of reminds me of, I don't know how many of you guys have been around long enough, but the first Erin Condren Life Planner I got was a vertical colorful, and these colors like right here I think were May, and it was just so nostalgic, and I love this color combination so much. It's like my favorite colors. So anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. It is free, you don't have to pay for it. There is a bell notification. If you want to click that, you can have it notify you sometimes or all the time whenever myself or another channel posts a video. And you can turn it off anytime as well. So if it gets too annoying, you just go back to the channel and click the bell. So let's see. I don't know if I will be buying monthly kits every month this year. I think I'm going to go back into being a little more creative. Just because it's not, I don't want to say it's not a wise investment, because let's be honest, stickers are not a wise investment, but I feel like I can be more creative and use some stuff that I have from other folks' de-stashes, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. So keep an eye out for that for February. I have tons of stuff I can use, and I really can't wait to get everything going back on board. And by the way, I'm sorry about the brown. I told you guys I got it for Christmas. It's my robe. It's amazing, and my craft room is cold this time of year. So I used to have a little portable heater in here, but it got stolen for another room. So I don't have it in here anymore, so I kind of just have to take whatever heat's left over from the room next to this one. So, and it's not like a craft room like other people have craft rooms on YouTube. It's very much a storage room, and then I tucked my little craft area into it. So anyway, lots of rambling there at the end, sorry about that. I will talk to you guys again very, very soon, and I hope you have a wonderful day, evening, morning, whenever you're watching this. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.